connected to your foot bone connected to your heel bone connected to your ankle bone connected to your leg bone connected to your knee bone connected to your thigh bone connected to your hip bone connected to your backbone connected to your shoulder bone connected to your neck bone connected to your head bone. Now hear the word of the Lord. Them bones gonna walk around. Them bones gonna walk around. Them bones gonna walk around. Now hear the word of the Lord. Disconnected them bones, them dry bones. Disconnected them bones, them dry bones. Disconnected them bones, them dry.
So this is really exciting for us because we've gone from having our first year 3 years ago a small table with a skirt and a banner to having probably what I have heard is, and what I feel is the most exciting booth in the Toy Fair this year. Of course, we have the 60-foot tall replica of a Tyrannosaurus Rex. We are introducing our partnership with GeoWorld out of Italy and introducing our products into the European market. We have a new licensing agreement with the highest rated debut show on Nick Jr., Dino Dan. And more importantly, something I got really excited about yesterday, we had Dino Dan here in the booth doing his first public appearance in North America.
Dry bones, now hear the word